Imagine waking up in the morning, and before you even get out of bed, your home has already started preparing for your day. The blinds open gradually, letting in natural sunlight. Your smart assistant gently reads out your schedule while your coffee machine starts brewing your favorite blend. The thermostat adjusts the temperature to your morning preference, and as you step into the bathroom, your smart mirror displays the day's weather, your to-do list, and even a few motivational quotes. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. This is what an AI-powered smart home can do for you today. Smart homes are no longer just for tech enthusiasts, they are becoming an integral part of modern living. With the power of artificial intelligence, you can automate daily tasks, improve energy efficiency, enhance security, and create an environment that truly understands and adapts to your lifestyle. Setting up your first AI-powered smart home may seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it's easier than you think. Let's break it down step by step. Choosing your smart home ecosystem. Before buying any smart devices, it's essential to choose an ecosystem that will serve as the backbone of your smart home. The three most popular ecosystems today are Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and Apple HomeKit. Each has its strengths. Amazon Alexa offers a vast range of compatible devices and works well with third-party products, ideal if you want flexibility and variety. Google Home, known for its excellent AI capabilities, Google Assistant provides superior voice recognition and integrates seamlessly with Google services. Apple HomeKit, best for Apple users, offering tight security and integration with Apple devices like iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Choosing the right ecosystem depends on your existing devices and personal preferences. If you're an iPhone user, HomeKit might be the best option. If you use Google services often, Google Home could be your best bet. For broad compatibility, Alexa is a solid choice. Setting up a smart hub. A smart home hub acts as the command center for your devices, allowing them to communicate and work together efficiently. Some ecosystems, like Google Home and Amazon Alexa, use their smart speakers as hubs. However, dedicated hubs such as Samsung SmartThings or Hubitat provide more advanced control. A hub is especially useful when integrating devices that use different communication protocols, such as Zigbee or Z-Wave. If you plan to have multiple smart devices, a dedicated hub can make your home automation smoother and more reliable. Smart speakers and voice assistants. The foundation of an AI-powered home starts with a voice assistant. Smart speakers such as Amazon Echo, Google Nest Hub, or Apple HomePod act as your home's central control system. With a simple voice command, you can control lights, thermostats, and security cameras, play music, set reminders, and check the weather. Ask AI-powered questions, from trivia to real-time traffic updates. Smart lighting. One of the easiest ways to start your smart home journey is with smart lighting. Smart bulbs, such as Philips Hue or Lifx, allow you to control brightness, color, and scheduling from your phone or via voice commands. Some benefits include automation. Set lights to gradually turn on in the morning and dim at night. Energy efficiency. Reduce electricity usage by turning off lights automatically when not in use. Enhanced ambience. Adjust colors and brightness for different moods and occasions. For full automation, consider installing smart light switches that allow you to control traditional bulbs through smart home systems. Smart thermostats. A smart thermostat, such as the Nest Learning Thermostat or Ekabi, can help optimize energy usage while keeping your home comfortable. These devices learn your routine and adjust temperatures accordingly, saving you money on heating and cooling bills. Smart thermostats allow remote control. Adjust temperature settings from your phone. Automation. Set schedules based on your habits. Energy tracking. Monitor energy consumption and receive insights on savings. Smart security systems. A smart home isn't complete without enhanced security. Smart locks, cameras, and sensors provide peace of mind and remote monitoring. Smart locks. Brands like August and Schlage offer keyless entry, remote locking, and even temporary access codes for guests. Security cameras. Systems like Arlo, Ring, and Nest Cam let you monitor your home from anywhere with live video feeds and motion alerts. Doorbell cameras. Ring and Nest Doorbell allow you to see and communicate with visitors remotely. Smart alarms and sensors. Motion sensors, water leak detectors, and window sensors enhance home protection. By integrating these security devices into your smart home ecosystem, you can create automated security routines that activate when you leave home, troubleshooting and future-proofing your smart home. As technology evolves, so do smart home devices. Keeping your system up to date ensures continued efficiency and security. Regular software updates, investing in widely supported brands, and understanding device compatibility can help future-proof your setup. If you experience connectivity issues, checking Wi-Fi strength, updating firmware, and using dedicated smart home networks can resolve most problems. The future of AI-powered smart homes. AI-powered smart homes are just the beginning. With advancements in machine learning, homes will become even more intuitive, predicting our needs before we even express them. Imagine a home that adjusts to your mood, recognizes your health needs, and seamlessly integrates with emerging technologies. Embracing AI in your home today sets you up for a future where convenience, security, and efficiency become second nature. Whether you're starting with a single smart device or transforming your entire home, the journey toward automation is one that enhances daily life in ways we once only dreamed of.